So is Chinese Lego any good? For my son's birthday, I got him some Lego, and we bought it in China. So we're just seeing, is the quality any different than back home? The pieces look pretty good. It was a lot cheaper for this one. It cost how much was this?
I don't know.
Came with two dragons. It cost how much was this?
I don't know.
Came with two dragons. The box kind of got crumpled in the mail. We bought it online, but it was like 20 bucks. So now I know sometimes when you buy a cheaper version of something, sometimes the quality is not as good, but it seems that these pieces connect pretty solid there. Seems to be pretty reasonable. Yep. And the good thing is, even though we bought it abroad, the instructions, you don't have any words anyways, so it's doesn't matter about the language. But it does have the Chinese logo there. So it's like the Chinese version. Interesting. What do you think, Mike? Is it any good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So here's the online where I bought it. I bought it for 158 kwai, and that's like around 30 bucks. It's about 1:5 ratio to the Chinese yuan. So Michael thought he lost two pieces. I was a little bit worried, but he said he found them. That's a good sign. So let's build it. So here's the final two builds of the dragons here. And was it missing any pieces?
No.
Oh, looks pretty good. It's quite large, you can see there. And this guy's tail spins. Look at this.